wildest of my dreams, that someone can dupe a high-end product without compromising the quality, without compromising the performance, and get such an affordable price point. I think this is the mind-blowing launch of Swiss Beauty of this year. It's definitely going to be a super duper hit, and Swiss Beauty really nailed this one. Hello my dear beautiful people, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good. Today's video is a very interesting video. We're going to talk about this new product from Swiss Beauty. These are the Swiss Beauty Jelly Burst Glow Sticks. These are the dupe for the She Glam Glow Sticks. She Glam has a similar product and it's been launched a year back or so, and that product went so viral for so many good reasons. I also wanted to purchase that, but it was at a price of 1000 to 1500 in India, and it was not even available in India. When I saw this product launched by Swiss Beauty, I thought it's not going to be so good and comparable to the She Glam one, but so many people were talking about it and they were saying that it's really good, so I wanted to try it. And I initially purchased 2 shades from this. Later on, I really loved it, so I purchased another 4 shades. Totally, I have all the 6 shades with me. So we're going to look at the swatch, demo, and the review of these glow sticks. Let's talk about the packaging of these glow sticks. So they come in a packaging like this. It's a carton packaging. It has the shade number and other details mentioned here. These are available at a price of 429 rupees. You can get them at a very good discount of 200 to 50 rupees in Swiss Beauty website. Whenever there is a discount going on, keep watching. You might get them at a very good price. 250 rupees for this glow stick is an amazing deal, you guys. These are definitely worth the money, like more than worth the money. These are a bang on deal for your money. It's such an amazing product. So this is how the inner packaging of the glow stick looks like. It's a very pretty lipstick kind of a packaging. It's more like a lipstick packaging, and when you open this, you get a cap. So this is a very good thing because these are kind of a cream formula, so if it dries down you will not be able to apply them smoothly, so they have given a cap so it prevents it from drying out. And this is how the stick of the eyeshadow looks like. They are so creamy. They have this jelly like wiggly texture. I have used a lot of eyeshadows like cream eyeshadows, pot eyeshadows, liquid eyeshadows, but I have not liked any other formula apart from the eyeshadow that comes in the eyeshadow pan. But this formula is really so easy to use. It's not like patchy, it is not uneven, it gives a uniform pigmentation. The color payoff is so good. It's easily blendable. You can even blend it with your fingers. You don't need a brush or anything. You can just dab a little bit on the center of your eyelids and just blend it with your fingers. That's it, you're done. So when you apply this eyeshadow on your eyelids, they are going to have a creamy soft texture and they apply so smooth and even on your eyelids. You can feel a slight cooling sensation on your eyelids because of the aqua formula that it has, and then it sets on your eyelids. It doesn't move at all. It's not going to budge at all. That is a good thing about these eyeshadows. You don't have to, apply a makeup fixer or something like that, because I have had experiences with eyeshadows that look so beautiful when you apply it. After a few minutes or a few hours, you don't see anything on your eyes. They just vanish. So that is not the case with these eyeshadows. It's not going to come off, you guys. It's going to stay there for a very long time. It's really long wearing. They are so versatile, so unique. Most of the eyeshadows don't have a base color. So out of these 6 eyeshadows, these shades like shade number 1, shade number 3, and shade number 5, they are not having any holographic effect. Other 3 shades have some kind of a holographic effect. They have some different kinds of glitters in them, like they have some color shift to them. So they are really very versatile. But the other ones are also equally good. They have a full-on pigmentation and they pop up so nicely on your eyelids and super friendly.
Let's quickly move on to the swatch and application of these Jellyverse glow sticks. The first shade we have here is Star Shower. It's one of the beautiful shades. It's a very nice silvery toned light brown. I would say it has a little bit of champagne brown and a little bit of silver and white sparkles. It's not having any base color to it, so you can apply it on your bare eyelids or on top of your any eyeshadow that you want to apply, like a base eyeshadow. It is going to look so beautiful. It has a good pigmentation, amazing pigmentation. As you can see, it gives that silvery foily sparkly effect to the eyes. Absolutely stunning. This particular eyeshadow will suit your cool toned outfits like blue or white or gray. I totally love the way it sparkles, you guys, on the eyes. It gives a beautiful wet looking sheen that's so gorgeous. This one doesn't have a holographic effect. It has a very neutral tone like silver, gray, and brown. That is what you see in this. Next up, we have the shade Bronzed Eclipse. It's a beautiful coppery brown with some golden shimmers. It also has a bit of blue and green shimmers to it. It's a very beautiful color. It has a little bit of brown base color. So it's going to look very beautiful even on your bare eyelids or on your any nude eyeshadow. It's going to look absolutely, absolutely stunning. I'm applying this on top of my concealer on this eyelid. Just one swipe is all you need, you guys. It gives you a beautiful glittery effect. It is wet looking. It is not that foily metallic glitter. Gives you a nice sparkly effect to your eyes. So gorgeous. This particular shade is one of my favorites. Absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. It's a beautiful festive eyeshadow stick. You can use it for any of your festive outfits, be it your lehengas, your silk saris, your chudidars, whatever it is, you guys. If you want to pick just one shade from this range, I would suggest you pick this one. It's a very beautiful festive shade. This is a comparison between the first shade and the second shade. You can see side by side how it looks, and you can pick whichever you like. I like both, and I like the second one much better than the first one. Next up, we have the shade Solar Flash. It's a pure gold glitter, you guys. It's just pure molten gold. It looks so foily, so sparkly. It looks absolutely like molten gold. It's very beautiful. I have applied a lot of metallic eyeshadows on my eyes, and this is by far the best eyeshadow that I have used. Gives you a very natural wet look, a very beautiful sheen, and a beautiful sparkly effect to your eyes. Is perfect for your festivals, for your traditional outfits, for ethnic outfits, for all your special occasions. This is the best eyeshadow stick. If you want a perfect beautiful golden glowy glitter, you can go for this particular one. This is Bronzed Eclipse, this is Solar Flash. You can see for yourself which one you would prefer. I love both, you guys. Both are gorgeous. This particular shade doesn't have any base color, so you can apply it on top of any eyeshadow. You can apply a base eyeshadow and apply on top of that, or you can just apply on your bare eyelids. It's going to look absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we have the shade Moon Drip. It looks like a pure white glitter on the stick, but when you apply it, it is a very beautiful light pink with a little bit of silver and a slight amount of gold particles, not so much. It's a beautiful, beautiful baby pink kind of a shade. Absolutely gorgeous, very beautiful girly shade. I really like this. It's just a very subtle kind of a glitter. If you don't want anything that is too much out there, too bright, we want something really, really subtle, you can go for this one. I really, really loved it. It's a very beautiful shade. These are one and done eyeshadows. You don't need to have any knowledge on eyeshadow application to use them. They are so easy to use. You just dab it on your eyelids and you're good to go. You can also build up the pigmentation as you want. Getting a good glitter in light colors is very difficult, you guys, because they might look really powdery on some angles, but this particular Jellyverse glow stick is so amazing. It doesn't look powdery. It gives you a very nice wet look, and it sparkles as well. It's so beautiful and gorgeous. Next up, we have the shade Orbit Gleam. This is a champagne gold shade. I would say it's a muted gold shade. Like, you can see that I have put a little bit of pressure and it started breaking because it's a cream formula. Look at the shine, you guys. This is a very nice subtle golden glitter with toned down golden glitter, I would say. It still appears like a golden glitter, but it's not as golden as the shade Solar Flash. It has a little bit of champagne and brown in it, so that is the reason it kind of leans towards brown than towards gold. Again, in a beautiful shade, you guys, you can also go for this if you want something festive looking, if you want something that is in the shades of gold. But if you ask me, this is not my favorite shade compared to the other shades. Next up, we have the shade Twilight Beam. It's a beautiful shade, you guys. One of the gorgeous shades in this entire collection. This one is more holographic compared to all the shades in this range. If you want something that is really popping up on your eyes, if you want something that is looking pink or purplish, you can go for this one. This one has shades of pink, shades of purple, shades of blue, and some shades of gray or silver as well. So it's a very beautiful shade, you guys. It's one of the gorgeous shades I have come across in the recent times, and this looks so stunning. It's absolutely gorgeous. I applied this on my bare eyelids. You can see a comparison between the shade number 4, I guess, a Moon Drip, and this is the shade number 6. Both are pink variants. So the shade number 4 is something like a light pink. This one is a very deep purplish kind of a pink. I love both, but I love this one much better than the Moon Drip.
Look at this. They are not going to move at all. My favorites, I would say, I mean, I like all of them, but this one is my favorite. This is shade number 2. This is also a very beautiful golden shimmer. I really have a lot of golden shimmery eyeshadows, but this one is so beautiful. This one is the shade number 6. It's a beautiful pink, electric purplish pink with some blue glitter. Such a beautiful shade. I love all the shades. I don't like as much as this one, the shade number 5 and shade number 1. Rest of the shades are so good. If you want to just pick one shade which is holographic and you don't want something that is having a lot of colors, you can go for shade number 2. It's a very unique shade. It can be paired with all your outfits. You can wear this on any day and every day. They are so beautiful, guys. Just look at these shades.
Here is a quick comparison of all the 4 shades that falls under the gold or champagne gold sort of category.
With that, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you really enjoyed watching the video. I hope you really loved this eyeshadow sticks. Go and try one of them. You will thank me later. These are one of a kind products that are really unique, and it is available at a very good price point from Swiss Beauty. I don't think you can miss this one. If you're someone who loves makeup, you have to have this product in your vanity. I will put the links for all the products in the description box. Don't forget to check them out. If you really like my video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, also press that bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video on my channel. I'll see you soon in another beautiful video. Till then, tata. See you guys. Bye bye.